This is Firenze Park.
Now you with this one?
Na Firenze Park it is.
Yeah, so that Firenze be that.
Na Firenze we don't enter.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. I don't see what I write and put. I don't see what I write and put.
This one now, that one to walk. Then they use this one to cook well. This is very one too. They use
Yeah.
it to cook well. Depends on the well and depends on the whole way person wants to do.
No man.
Look here now, me see say Europe, you get the way they take day, but no be say they better pass us.
Ajay.
You understand my language? So
Clear
you
matter.
get the way they take day, but they not better pass us.
At all. Now money that they develop
The way
now normally.
Now our money that they use and the way they take day, now be all those ones. So you see the way they take day. See this park now, this one at Philly Station Park.
Mm.
You see I say all trailer,
Park.
one side. If you from here now go the other side, this side, look this side now.
Mm.
If you from here go this side now, that side
Yeah.
na for car.
Yeah.
It is here so. If you see go front like this, go see am. There now for bus.
Yeah.
They systemize
Yeah,
everything.
na for
They
trailers.
arrange everything. Like
No
that
be
one
lie.
they take day. You understand?
No man.
But as a Nigeria person and as Africa person, we dey do our gaga.
Yeah.
Not
That kind of thing. Now Nigeria will park everything for here. Both the bus, both the trailer, both the cars, you know.
Like this land now, you see and say, hotel people dey amenities go dey sup.
No man. No
When
man.
they do park so.
No man.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then that one will concentrate day on our own. Say we no dey waste anything.
That
We
kind
make
of
use
thing.
of everything. I rest my case.
That be like you try. You try. Correct.